Could you imagine earning money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing in 2024. This dynamic realm has exploded in popularity, becoming a beacon for those eager to dive into digital entrepreneurship without the burden of startup capital. It's not just about selling, it's about creating connections and scaling your influence across the web. With tools more sophisticated than ever, virtually anyone can start and grow their affiliate business from ground zero. Now, how exactly can you tap into this lucrative market? Stay tuned. First things first. What is affiliate marketing? Imagine a bustling digital marketplace, but instead of selling your own products, you promote someone else's. When a purchase is made through your unique referral link, voila, you earn a commission. It's a modern take on earning through referrals, streamlined by the internet. Affiliate marketing involves three key players: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant provides the product or service. The affiliate, that's potentially you, promotes these offerings, and the customer buys them through your promotional efforts. Think of yourself as a bridge connecting the product and the eager buyer. Now, whether it's the latest tech gadgets, innovative software solutions, or comprehensive online courses, your role is to guide interested buyers to these products through your channels, be it a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel. Each successful sale not only benefits the merchant, but fattens your wallet through commissions. With a clear understanding, you're ready to set up your affiliate marketing journey. Ready to dive in? Here's how you can start your affiliate marketing journey today. Firstly, choosing a niche that sparks your interest and has a considerable market demand is crucial. Whether it's fitness, technology, or home decor, select a niche you are passionate about. This passion will fuel your content and make your marketing efforts more genuine and engaging. Next, selecting the right affiliate programs and products is essential. Look for offers that not only align with your niche, but also have a reputable standing and favorable commission structures. It's about finding a balance between what your audience loves and what can also generate a steady stream of income. Finally, consider your platform, be it a blog, social media account, or YouTube channel. Your platform is your stage. Here, creating valuable and engaging content is key. It's not just about promoting products, it's about providing solutions and insights that make your audience trust and follow your recommendations. With these steps, you've begun your path. But what tools can you leverage to succeed? Great affiliates don't work harder, they work smarter. To thrive in affiliate marketing, you need a toolkit that's up to the task. Start with SEO tools that help you optimize content and rank higher in search engine results. A reliable content management system, or CMS, will streamline your workflow, allowing you to publish, edit, and manage content efficiently. But don't forget about analytics. Tools like Google Analytics provide invaluable insights into your traffic and audience behavior, enabling you to tailor your strategies effectively. Speaking of strategies, engaging content is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. It's not just about selling, it's about connecting with your audience and providing value that resonates. Combine this with robust SEO practices to ensure your pages are seen by the right eyes. And let's not overlook the power of social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter can dramatically increase your reach and engagement. Lastly, the key to continuous improvement is tracking and analyzing your performance. Adjust and refine your tactics based on real data to maximize your results. Now that you have the tools and strategies, let's ensure your efforts pay off. Now, how do you ensure your affiliate marketing business thrives in the long run? The key to sustained success in affiliate marketing is scalability and diversification. Consider expanding your niche or exploring additional products that complement your current offerings. This not only boosts your potential revenue, but also cushions against market fluctuations. One effective strategy is to leverage the power of content. Creating high-quality, engaging content can help attract a larger audience and build a loyal following. Think about incorporating different types of content, like videos, blogs, and podcasts, which can all serve to enhance your affiliate efforts. Another vital aspect is the integration of new technologies. The future of affiliate marketing is tightly intertwined with advancements such as artificial intelligence. AI can revolutionize how you personalize marketing efforts, making it possible to tailor content and recommendations to individual user preferences with unprecedented precision. Moreover, the rise of personalized marketing means that understanding and adapting to your audience's needs is more crucial than ever. Tools that analyze user behavior and preferences will become indispensable in crafting campaigns that resonate deeply and drive conversions. Lastly, remember that the foundation of a robust affiliate marketing strategy is built on trust. Maintaining transparency with your audience about your affiliate relationships and adhering to ethical practices will not only comply with regulatory requirements, but also strengthen your reputation. If you want to learn more about making money with affiliate marketing and AI, hit subscribe for more insightful content.